Welcome. If you want to get Fortnite on your Motorola Edge, for the first you have to go for your browser, but you can try it also to get it from the Play Store. But right here we cannot find the game because it was removed. So we have to go for the browser, tap on the search pool and type here APK Pure. Let's enter the apkpure.com website. Tap on the search pool in the right upper corner and tap here one more time and type Fortnite. We have to get this application and get it from the Epic Games. Click right here, tap to download and just open the installer, click install. Tap on the open and select the Fortnite. Right here, click install, and right now it is downloading the launcher. Click on the settings. Use the switcher to allow install from the Epic Games application. Click install one more time. And right now we can open. Click continue. Tap OK. And just click on the Find My Account. And I'm going to log in with the Google, but you can also do it with your Epic Games account, Facebook, Xbox, PlayStation or the Apple. And right here you have to input your email and the password, but I just set my account and it's here, so I can just tap on it and then I will log in. Right now we have to wait until the launcher pop-ups on our screen and just click install and wait until it finished. Okay, and the game is starting, so just be patient a little bit. Okay, and just let me grab the phone and we are logged into the game. We can turn off this ad. Okay, there's the battle pass, but we are going to skip it also. Select the auto fire, we got it, close it, and right now we can smoothly go for the game and check if everything is working properly. So we are in the matchmaking, in the squads. And as you can see, the game is working. So I think that is everything that I can show you, and I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!